Here's something special. Modern luxury meets country living on nearly 3/4 of an acre. This fully renovated home has 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a 2-car garage, plus all the style and smart features you've been looking for. Step inside to an open, extended floor plan with fresh paint and luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. The black Andersen windows, they're in every room, and they really tie the whole modern look together. The kitchen centers around a large island with black granite countertops and stainless LG ThinQ smart appliances. There's even a mini fridge tucked under the island, perfect for keeping drinks cold while you're cooking or entertaining. You'll find 2 fireplaces here, one in the dining area and the other in the living room, with vaulted ceilings that open up the space beautifully. The bedrooms are generously sized. 2 of them feature newly tiled showers and walk-in closets with plenty of room for everything. The entire home operates as a smart home, so you can control lighting, temperature, and security right from your phone. Plus, there's a brand new roof, furnace, and AC system for total peace of mind. Outside, there's an arched covered patio with stamped concrete extending over half of the property. A gas line is already in place for adding an outdoor kitchen down the road, ideal for gatherings or just enjoying the peaceful country setting. This home has every upgrade and is ready for you. Ready to take a look? Reach out to Tyler Jackson and schedule your tour today.